Wow, cryptos are tanking again. Look at this, all red across the board. Even Bitcoin is down back at 27K again. Is this another crash? Or do you think this is a chance to buy the dip? So we all know that Bitcoin visited 30K lately, and of course this 30K area is like a natural resistance. It's a psychological barrier landmark in almost everybody's mind. So of course a pullback from 30K is natural, but I'm here to say that maybe this pullback can go further than you think. There are a number of signals that I'm looking at. See, the orange parts in this chart is when 7 to 9 year old Bitcoins, like Bitcoins someone bought from say 2013, 2014, have been sold. And each time when such old coins are being sold, look at this, right? Then it marks a huge pullback in Bitcoin. Look at this time, look at this time, these two times, and recently in 2022, we saw it happen a number of times as well. The only time the signal was false was in November, when Bitcoin was at 15K and actually marked the bottom of Bitcoin. So we can't say any signal is 100%, but out of the last 8 times or so this signal fired, right, it has worked 7 out of 8 times so far. And so far, they fired again this signal right here. Another signal we can look at is the takers volume, and that's when the seller is just taking the price of the bidding price, just taking it rather than posting a price and waiting for the bids to hit his price. So he's going with a lower price just to get out of the market. And when the sellers are overwhelming the bidders, we see red. When the bidders are overwhelming the sellers, we see green. And we can see that often. When it is green, the market is rising. When it's red, it's basically signaling the market is going down. Often, sometimes it doesn't always work. See, like this period, right, when there's a huge bull market, a lot of smart money selling, but the market kept on going up. But however, it tends to work more often than not. Once again, nothing's 100%, but it tends to work more often than not. And look at here, we've just started going to red territory once again, which means some big money are eager to sell right now. Now, of course, I've been warning about this in my Discord for a long time now. So I've been saying that this 30K area is an obvious resistance level, and we need to de-risk at this area, 30K. So of course, you know, like it is just expected that when Bitcoin hits something like 30K, after a big run up from 15K, almost doubling itself, it just makes sense that it would have a pullback rather than ramming straight through. Not saying it cannot, but chances are there is a pullback usually. That's just how probability works. And to see where the market is going next, if this is a buying opportunity or not, follow me and I'll have more updates for you.